What are the project management stages? In this video we shall discuss about all the stages of project management. Although there are different project management methodologies and approaches, must project follows these stages. There are following stages which any project management should follow. There are 5 phases of project management. These phases are as follow. First one is initiation, second one is planning, third one is execution, fourth one is performance monitoring, fifth one is closure. So we shall discuss each and every one thing in detail in this video. So stay tuned with me at the end of the video. So now I shall discuss about what is project initiation. Basically, this is where a project starts. The purpose of this phase is to define the project in a larger sense. Here the project manager starts with a kickoff meeting with his clients to understand the goal and objective, and most importantly their expectation from it. It is essential that he goes through all the details and asks as many questions as possible to develop a better understanding of the project. In the initiation phase, they answer the following question: why this project? Is the project feasible? Who are going to be potential partner in this project? What are the boundaries of the project? How does the end result look like? सो अगर हम प्रोजेक्ट इनिशिएशन की बात करें, अगर मान लो कोई भी प्रोजेक्ट आप शुरू करते हो, तो सबसे पहले उसका पर्पस क्या होता है कि हम ये डिफाइन करें प्रोजेक्ट का कि लार्जर सेंस में उसका मतलब क्या है। आपका मतलब एक तरह से प्रोजेक्ट का लार्जर सेंस में क्या पर्पस है, किस लिए हम इस प्रोजेक्ट के ऊपर काम कर रहे हैं। और जो प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर होगा वो तो एक मीटिंग करेगा, मीटिंग करके क्लाइंट्स को ये समझाने की कोशिश करेगा कि उसकी गोल्स और ऑब्जेक्टिव्स क्या है, ठीक है, और उससे क्या एक्सपेक्टेशंस है उस। तो इट इज इसेंशियल दैट ही गो थ्रू ऑल द डिटेल्स। उसके बाद जो प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर है वो हर तरह के डिटेल के बारे में बताएगा लोगों को, जो भी उनके क्लाइंट्स है उनके साथ डिटेल में बताएगा कि इस तरह की चीजें हम लोग इसमें करने वाले हैं, इससे ये बेनिफिट भी निकल के आएगा। और जितना ज्यादा से ज्यादा क्वेश्चन हो सकता है वो पूछने की कोशिश करेगा, बताने की कोशिश करेगा, सो दैट कि एक बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग बन सके उस प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में। देखो ये जो प्रोजेक्ट का इनिशिएशन फेज है ये काफी इंपॉर्टेंट होता है, और इसमें डिफरेंट टाइप के क्वेश्चंस जो इंक्लूडेड है कि ये प्रोजेक्ट किस लिए है, इस क्या ये प्रोजेक्ट फिजिबल है कि नहीं, हम इस प्रोजेक्ट में कौन से पार्टनर्स के साथ काम करने वाले हैं, पोटेंशियल पार्टनर्स कौन कौन से हैं, और इसकी बाउंड्रीज क्या है, प्रोजेक्ट की बाउंड्रीज क्या है, और इसका एंड रिजल्ट कैसा होगा, ठीक है। Now, once the project is given a green light, the project manager creates a project initiation document where he outlines the purpose of requirement of a project. What is basically the purpose of, what is the requirement of that project? When the project manager creates a project initiation document, so when he get the green signal, after that green light, the project is started, so he has to create the type of sense so that they can work on this type of project. Second phase is project planning. It involves the setting goals and describing job responsibilities to the project members. Many project managers set a smart goals to make the process achievable. A smart goals, it is a popular goal setting process that help you set goals which are ambitious yet doable. If you break the word, every alphabet signifies a quality that can help you set well crafted goals. So basically, what is the basic meaning of a smart goal is that it is in a popular goal setting process in which you have to be ambitious, and you know if you are doing a smartly anything, so you will reduce the time, and there are a lot of significant features, there are a lot of significant effect of the type of things on the project is there. So now coming to the next thing, what is a specific? To set a specific goal and have an answer for every what, who, where, which, when and how. Measurable, to define criteria that can be used to measure the success of a goal. Attainable, to identify what it will take to achieve those goals. realistic to set goals that are actually doable and achievable in the given time bound to create a time frame to achieve every goal. Moreover, this phase also involves identifying the work, preparing the schedule, and estimating the cost, and is often referred to as risk management. Third phase is project execution. This is phase when the project start taking its shape. We were just planning. First of all, we were initiating. In the second stage, you can see it easily that we were planning. In the first stage, we were just initiating, and in the third step, whatever we have planned, we have to execute that. This is phase when the project starts taking its shape. Education is all about building deliveries that deliverable that satisfy the customer. Team leader make this happen by allocating resources and keeping team members focused on their assigned tasks. Execution relies heavily on the planning phase. The work and effort of the team during the execution phase are delivered from the project plan. As the project programs, we must update the project schedule and plan in order to ensure the project is set to be delivered within the agreed timelines. Here are some of important things are being taken care of in the implementation phase. Report progress. Regular update and status reports are required when the project is in execution. It is important to provide the requirement information in the right format and identify the issue as well. These resources will prove beneficial in the time of a crisis. Basically, report progress is something that you have to update. What is the status of your project, whether you are completing each and every one thing in time or not, which type of problem, which type of difficulty you are facing. So you will just report that thing so that you can identify the problem, you can identify the issue, and that issue can be solved out in certain period of time, and that will be beneficial in time of crisis as well. So that is something about progress, report progress. Now coming to the next one, hold weekly meetings. Weekly meetings can save your team dividing from the important activities. Clear agenda should be set for the meeting so that no time is wasted, as team member are already well aware what the meeting is for, and all overall productivity doesn't get affected. Basically, we have weekly meetings, hold weekly meetings, so that there is no effect on the overall productivity, because we know that we have a project of like 1 month. So in the meat of the project, there are many one time when all the members are not actively participating in that. So we have to make it clear, we have to ensure that all the team members are putting their all efforts, and they are all aware that the meeting is going for that purpose, and the agenda should be clear. So for that purpose, we have to perform, we have to hold weekly meetings. Manage problems. As the project is in motion, problems are bound to happen. You can face issues like quality, time management, the decline in a team's morale that can threaten the success of a project. Phase 4, Project Performance. This phase is about measuring project progress and overall performance to see if anything aligns with the project management plan or not. So basically, if we have planned each and every one thing before we are executing that, so we shall also see that whether all the performances are aligned with the project management plan or not. We have to check it, we have to evaluate it, uh, all the project progress. So some of common KPI to ensure measure project performances are project objectives. If a project stay on schedule and desired budget, it is an indication that it will meet the expectation of the decision makers and clients. Quality deliverable quality deliverables. This help to determine if deliverables are being met or not. Cost tracking. Project manager need to be accountable for the effort and cost of the resources. Project performance, any change made in the project due to scope creep or other unforeseen circumstances are taken into account while measuring the overall progress of the project. Phase 5 is project closure. It is the last phase of project management that is also called post mortem. That is an important term that you have to keep in mind. Post mortem uh, or follow up phase. Generally, once the project is completed and delivered, the effective project manager are set aside some time to identify the strengths. Valuable team members are recognized, what went wrong, how it can be rectified, and what are the takeaways from the project. So that are basically five parts of any project. So you can have that. If you want to make notes, you can pause the video and you can make the proper notes. So there are 5 phases of project management. Thank you for watching my video.